Hi, how are you this afternoon?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. What can I help you with today?
Well, I have a situation
Mhm.
that I'm trying to get your feedback
Mhm.
on what I can do because recently my niece um, was needing help to come live with me because she is a child. She's an infant, but my sister is not capable of taking care of her.
Mhm.
So because of this, she signed her rights over to me.
Mhm.
However, she was not with her father.
Mhm.
So she is not aware where her father is. She has an idea, but since he hasn't signed off rights, I'm worried that when he wants to look for her,
Mhm.
for my niece, he's gonna come and have those rights, and the adoptive papers would basically mean nothing, and we would have to go to court. And I don't want to live through this struggle where at one point she could be taken away from us while we've been raising her. I mean, I know there's a chance he might never appear, but because there is a chance that he still has those rights, I want to know how much rights he has since the rights are, she signed the rights on me.
Okay. So what I would do first, do you think you're financially stable to take on another child?
I think at this point we can really look at my income and my husband's income, and I think we would qualify because of the guidelines
Okay.
to have another child, and I don't think that would be an issue because of our income.
Okay. So the good news here is since the mother already gave away her rights to you, the next step would be to go to a family lawyer.
Okay.
So of course for this you would need some money. And after that, he's basically in charge of all the paperwork. So what you do after that, he will file papers for the adoption to the father. And if the father doesn't show up to that date, then you go to court so they can give you the child. Does that make sense?
Will they be searching for him since we
Yes,
don't have
they're gonna look for
address?
him. They have to find him in order for you to legally adopt your niece.
Okay.
So once they do that, and let's say he just doesn't show up, then she's yours.
Okay.
But you have to go to court for that again. More money for that as well. But yes, in your case, it's easier for you to adopt her because her mother gave away her rights.
And what about, is there any other programs where I would qualify for, to get an attorney through the state, or would it have to be something that I would pay for out of my pocket?
I believe there is help from the government where they can help you with money, but since you're the one that wants to adopt the child, I think it's going to be a little harder and the money's going to come out of your pocket.
Okay. Do you have like an estimate of how much it is, or it would just depend on the attorney?
Right.
Attorney.
I would say around $5,000 to $6,000 for the whole adoption.
And since you guys are an adoption agency and have that information, would you be able to recommend me with someone?
Yes, I would.
Okay. Yes. And that would actually be great because I can have the references and I would feel safer doing it that way rather than paying an attorney that I don't know the references.
Right.
So yeah, that makes me feel a lot better, and I think we're able to pay for this, and I think it'll be great.
Alrighty. Is that it?
Yeah, that'll be it. Thank you so much for your help.